Right close, wouldn't you say? Standing on the edge of my yard. Load of ground up metal. Steel rod. Lumber. Railroad ties. Cars and cars. Easy. And a pusher. There goes the pusher. Finally caught a train coming by for y'all. We'll see how it does in the short. I think I goofed it up a couple times. Nothing new. Wouldn't be worth watching if I didn't screw it up. My junk collection on this side of the house. Cloudy day and windy, very windy. Flag standing straight out. But that's all I got for you. Y'all have a good one. I'll catch you on the other side. I'm out.